Question number 32. Desired genes have been introduced into transgenic animals to obtain large-scale production of useful biological products encoded by these genes. This approach is genetically referred to 1. Hybridoma technology, 2. Molecular forming, 3. Gene therapy, 4. Downstream processing. A correct answer for this 32 question is as follows. Here in the given 4 options, the correct answer is option 2. Molecular forming. Hybridoma technology is the production of monoclonal antibodies. Monoclonal antibodies are made outside the body by hybrid cells culture known as hybridomas. So hope you understood this one. Now let's go to question number 33. A plant is provided with the ideal conditions for photosynthesis and supplied with the isotope CO2-14. When the products of the process are analyzed carefully, what would be the nature of products? 1. Both glucose and oxygen are labeled. 2. Only oxygen is labeled but glucose is normal. 3. Both glucose and oxygen are normal. 4. Only glucose is labeled and oxygen is normal. And the correct answer is for 33 question is option D. Let's see explanation. Oxygen will not be labeled and the normal as the supplied oxygen is normal as well. Glucose will be labeled as the carbon than the forms it will be derived from the carbon dioxide supplied, which is the supplied isotope. Hope you understood. Now let's go to question number 34. Which among these is not a post-fertilization event? 1. Gametogenesis, 2. Embryogenesis, 3. Fruit formation, 4. Seed formation. And the correct answer is option 1. And let's see explanation. During pre-fertilization events, the sexual reproduction prior to the fusion of gametes. The two main pre-fertilization events are gametogenesis and gamete transfer. Hope you understood. And here the seed formation is not a seed formation is post-fertilization event. Gametogenesis and embryogenesis are pre-fertilization events. Fruit formation and seed formation are belongs to post-fertilization events. Now question number 35. Sarcomere is the functional unit of contraction in a muscle fiber. Identify the portion of myofibril that constitute a sarcomere. 1. The portion of microfibril between two successive Z line. 2. The portion of microfibril between two successive I band. 3. The portion of microfibril between two successive A band. 4. The portion of microfibril between two successive M line. The correct answer is option 1. And the explanation is, in the center of each I band is an elastic fiber called Z line, which bisects it. The thin filaments are firmly attached to the Z line. The thick filaments in the A band are also held together in the middle of this band by a thin fibrous membrane called M line. Next, question number 36. Some deserts beetles can survive on metabolic water without ever drinking liquid water, which option 1 was produced as water in the organisms they eat, is absorbed from the air along with the respiratory organ, is a breakdown product of pyruvate inside the mitochondria along the carbon dioxide. 4. It is breakdown product from glycolysis in the cytoplasm. And the correct answer is option 3. And the explanation is, Metabolic water is created by oxidizing the energy containing substances in their food during metabolic activity. Some animals living in the desert are exclusively on metabolic water. Hope you understood. Now let's go to another question. Question number 37. The gene disorder phenylketonuria is an example for polygenic inheritance, 2 philotropy, 3 multiple allelism, 4 multiple factor. And correct answer is option 2. And the explanation is polygenic inheritance occurs when one characteristic is controlled by 2 or more genes. Understood? So now let's go to 38th question. A population is correctly defined as a having which of the following characteristics? Here 3 characteristics are given. A. Inhabiting the same geographic area. B. Individuals belonging to same species. C. Possessing a constant and uniform density and dispersion. And let's see correct option from the given 4 options with the correct characteristics of a population. And the correct answer is option 1. It means A and B are correct characteristics of a population. It means a population is defined as the number of organisms of the same species that live in a particular geographical area at the same time with the capability of interbreeding. So hope you understood this one. Now let's go to question number 39. Choose the correct sequence of events occurring in human reproduction. So here in the given 4 options, the correct sequence is option 3. It means gametogenesis is first taking place. Next, insemination is taking place, followed by fertilization, implantation, gestation period, and paturation. It means delivery. This is the correct sequence of human reproduction in females. So correct answer is option 3. Hope you understood this one. Now let's go to question number 40. In a polysaccharide, number of monosaccharides are linked by A. Peptide bond, B. Phosphodiester bond, 3. Glycosidic bond, 4. Hydrogen bond. The correct answer is option 2. Phosphodiester bond. So peptide bonds are formed between amino acids by linking them into long chains called proteins. The band formed between the sugar and the phosphate group is phosphodiester bond. Hope you understood. Now let's go to question number 41. A and B are the two adjacent living cells. The cell A has solute potential of 9 bars and pressure potentials of 4 bars, whereas cell B has solute potential of 8 bars and pressure potential 5 bars. What will be the direction of water movement between these cells? And the correct answer is option 2. Cell B to cell A. And let's see explanation. Water potential is actually determined by the taking into account into 2 factors. One is osmotic potential and the second one is pressure potential. Understood? So hope you understood this one. Now let's go to question number 42. Which one of the following statement is wrong with respect to separation of DNA fragments on gel electrophoresis? Let's see wrong statement from the given 4 options. From the given 4 options, the wrong statement is option 4. The smaller DNA fragments separate first. No, it is wrong. Understand? So hope you understood this one. Now let's go to question number 43. The rate of formation of new organic matter by deer in a forest ecosystem is called option 2. Secondary productivity. What is the explanation for this? Then let's see. Primary productivity is the rate at which energy is converted by photosynthetic and chemosynthetic autotrophs to organic substances. The rate in which the consumers convert the chemical energy of their food into their own biomass is called secondary productivity. A standing crop is the total dried biomass of the living organisms present in a given environment. So net primary production is the rate at which all the plants in an ecosystem produces net useful chemical energy. Hope you understood. Now let's go to question number 44. Digestion of proteins is incomplete in the absence of enterokinase because, let's see options. Pepsinogen is not converted into pepsin, and chemotrypsinogen is not converted into chymotrypsin. 3. Trypsinogen is not converted into trypsin. 4. Prorenin is not converted into renin. And the correct answer is option 3. And let's see explanation. Enterokinase is an enzyme secreted by duodenum of the small intestine and involves in the digestion of food. It converts the trypsinogen to active trypsin, which digests proteins into amino acids. Now let's see question number 45. From the following pedigree chart of a family, one can make an analysis that, let us see A, what is 1, what is 2, what is 3. And the correct answer for this question is option 2. It means it is an autosomal recessive trait. Let's see explanation about it. When neither parent is affected but producing affected offspring, then they must be heterozygous, and hence this disaster will be autosomal recessive. Such disaster appears more frequently among the children of the marriage between closely related individuals. Hope you understood. Now let's go to question number 47. Offsprings formed during sexual reproduction exhibits more variation than those formed by asexual method because genetic material comes from two different individuals. So the correct option is option 1. Let's see explanation for this. Offspring produced from sexual reproduction show more variation because sexual reproduction takes place between male and female of the same species, and the genetic material comes from both the individuals in the form of the male and female gametes, and there is a genetic recombination. 48. Pick the hormone which is not secreted by human placenta. 1. HCG. 2. HPL. 3. Prolactin. 4. Estrogen. And the correct answer is option 3. Prolactin is a hormone secreted by mammals lactotrophs, usually females, and stimulates the mammary gland to produce milk. This hormone is also called as lutotropin or luterotropic hormone. The major source of prolactin is the anterior pituitary, regulated by the hypothalamus. Hope you understood this one. Now let's go to question number 49. The phenomenon called apical dominance in plants is due to a phytohormone. 1. Auxins. 2. Gibberellins. 3. Cytokinins. 4. ABA. And the correct answer for 49 question is option 1. Let's see explanation. Apical dominance in a phenomenon of the inhibition of the growth of lateral buds occurs due to the terminal bud of a shoot. Removal of shoot tips, called as decapitation, usually results in the growth of the lateral buds. Understand? So now let's go to question number 50. Plants obtained through tissue culture are genetically identified, and they are obtained by somatic cells. What do you call them? A. Somoclones. B. Monoclones. 3. Somatic hybrids. 4. Cross hybrids. And the correct answer for this question is option 1. 20% of the option 1. So let's see in detail regarding this one explanation. The genetically identical plants obtained through tissue culture or micropropagation are called as soma clones because it is produced by the culture of somatic cells. Hope you understood. Now let's go to question number 51. A human male is heterozygous for autosomal gene A and B. He is also homozygous for hemophilic gene H. What percentage of sperms will carry A, B, H genotype? Answer 1. 25%. Explanation. 25% of sperms will carry A, B, H genotype. Now let's see question number 52. All the following interactions are mutualism except this one. What is that? Let's see. Correct answer is option 4. Association of algae and fungi in lichens, association of fungi and roots of higher plants in mycorrhiza, plant and animal reaction in pollination. All these are comes under mutualism reaction. But association of cattle, egret and grazing cattle is not related to mutualism. Hope you understood. Now let's go to question number 53. The hormone melatonin is secreted by the gland. 1. Thyroid, B. Adrenal, 3. Pineal and 4. Pituitary. And the correct answer is option 3. So here thyroid stimulating hormone is produced and released into the bloodstream by the pituitary gland. It controls production of the thyroid hormones. The adrenal glands are also small glands located on top of each kind. So the pituitary gland secretes multiple hormones including melanocyte stimulating hormone MSH, adenocorticotropic hormone ACTH and thyrotropin. It means nothing but thyroid stimulating hormone or TSH. Hope you understood. Now let's go to question number 54. A scrubber in the exhaust of a chemical industry removes 1. Hydrogen sulfide, B. Sulfur dioxide, 3. Nitrous oxide, 4. Carbon monoxide. So correct answer is option 2. And the explanation for this question is here the scrubber in the exhaust of a chemical industry removes sulfur dioxide. And now let's discuss about another question, continuation question. Question number 55. Lactational amenorrhea means 1. Prevents secretion of milk from breast, 2. Prevents conception, 3. Prevents secretion of prolactin, 4. Prevents spermatogenesis. Option 2 is correct. And the explanation is lactational amenorrhea. It means absence of menstruation. Method is based on the fact that ovulation and therefore the cycle do not occur during the period of intense lactation following parturition. Next, question number 56. The gene of hemophilia is located on X chromosome. Hence, it is normally impossible for a option A, hemophilic father to pass the gene to his daughter, 2. Carrier mother to pass the gene to the daughter, 3. Carrier mother to pass the gene to her son, 4. Hemophilic father to pass the gene to his son. And the correct answer is option 4. And explanation is hemophilia is an X-linked recessive disorder in which person do not produce clotting factor. Female have excess chromosome in which one X is affected and another X is normal. And but hemophilic father XY inherited hemophilia to his daughter because the carriers of X from father and one of the mother, whereas none of these sons will be affected because he carries only Y chromosome from his father. Next, question number 57. Identify incorrect statement from the following. 1. B cells produce antibody. 2. Interferons kill viruses. 3. Responses of T cells is called cell-mediated immunity. 4. Macrophages or the phagocytic cells. And the correct answer is option 2. And the explanation is B cell is activated by antigen of proliferates and differentiates into antibody secreting effector cells. Viruses infected cell secretes proteins called interferons which protect non-infected cells from further viral infection. Question number 58. A person admitted to hospital as he had myocardial infarction. A cardiologist injecting him streptokinase. Why? It reduces hypertension. It reduces the level of blood cholesterol. It stimulates the heartbeat. It acts clot buster. And the correct answer is option 4. Let's see explanation. Streptokinase produced by the bacterium Streptococcus and modified by the genetic engineering is used as a clot buster for removing the clots from the blood vessels of patients have undergone myocardial infarction leading to heart attack. Hope you understood. Now question number 59. One of the breeding technique useful to eliminate harmful recessive genes by selection is 1. Artificial insemination. 2. Outbreeding. 3. Inbreeding. 4. MOET. And the correct answer is option 3. And the solution is an artificial insemination. The semen collected either from the husband or a healthy donor is artificially introduced either into a vagina or into the uterus of the female. Hope you understood. Now last question of this video of 2016 KCET biology question paper. Which one of the following statements is not correct about plasmid? 1. It is a circular DNA. 2. It has antibiotic resistant gene. 3. It has the ability to autonomous replication. 4. Its DNA is as long as chromosomal DNA. And the correct answer is option 4. The plasmid is a single circular extra chromosomal DNA which carries antibiotic resistant gene and origin of replication. It means the ability of autonomous replication and its size is smaller than the chromosomal DNA. These characters of plasmid make it an ideal vector of recombinant DNA technology. So hope you understood. Students, thank you one and all.